What up? It's your boy B-Dub, and I'm back up in this bitch with another one. Hey, check me out. We finna do an unboxing today. You know what I'm talking about? Let's get into this junk, man. Alright, y'all. We got a package in. LED lights from Spider Farmer. These are the SF2000s. Yes, sir. Shout out to Spider Farmer for sending your boy these lights. Alright, y'all. I got one hand, man, so we gonna get this joint open. I don't wanna cut nothing. Dang. Are you sure these are lights? Picture this, man. Alright. That's what it is. That's how it came, huh? Okay. Alright, let me get this open, y'all. I got one hand, so hold up. Okay. Open it up. They got it in here packed in here nice and tight. Ooh-wee. Let's see how we gonna get these out of here. That's in there nice and tight. I got one hand. Alright, let me go get one of my daughters to help me. Hold up. This is really light. Alright. Let's see what we got. Let me open this thing. Alright, this one came in the box. The Meanwhile driver. This is the dimmer. It's supposed to last 50% longer than most drivers, which is a good thing. Longer lifespan. Grow longer. Have a longer lifespan with your lights. Came with the instruction manual. Your hangers in here. Some tags for your plants, which is cool. That's a good little thought. And measuring tape. Let's check these lights out. Ooh-wee. Okay. Nice, compact. It's pretty cool. Spider Farmer. These come with the Samsung LM301B diodes, which is the top. You don't get no better than these. These are some high efficiency diodes. Yeah, everybody know about the Samsung diodes compared to fluences and everything. This is what it is. These diodes, there have some diodes in here that most lights that I haven't seen have. You know, they have the white, red, blue, and infrared. I don't know too many lights out there that have all those, so that's what's up. But yeah, it's pretty small, no fan, so you don't get no noise. Aluminum heat sink frame. Yeah, this is pretty nice, pretty small, lightweight. And also there's I don't know if you can see it, but you see that coating? These are waterproof. So in case you accidentally get some water sprayed or some type of insecticide sprayed, you won't have to worry about your diodes getting wet. It's a waterproof coating over it, which is dope. That's nice. So yeah, man, that's what's up. Shout out to Spider Farmer, man, for sponsoring this video. Appreciate the lights, fam. That's what's up. Also, this is the Spider Farmers. This is the SF2000. They have the 600, the 100, the 2000, which is this, and the 4000, which is double this. So it'll be a whole nother section over there. You know what I'm saying? So these are pretty nice. I like them already so far. Pretty lightweight. We're going to see how they do their thing. These going up in this tent. Yeah, man. Shout out to Spider Farmer, man. Appreciate y'all. Yes, sir. Here we go. This is where we at. We're in the tent. This is what I'm gonna be growing in this year, this season. I also got a little space over there I'm gonna be growing in. Throw some plants and some lights back here. But yeah, this is what we're doing. As you can see, the SF2000s, very thin, sleek design. There's not much to it. You got your controller, which is your mean well driver. They're dimmable. You know, you got your Samsung 301Bs, LM301Bs, diodes. I think it's like 500 and something of these joints in there or something. It's a lot, man. But yeah, the price is very, very minimal. You know, you're getting the high quality diodes for a small price. These right here was like 280 something for these lights, which is pretty good. They got the 4000s, which are double these, and they're about 500. They're under $600, man. So it's a pretty good price for these lights. So hit the link in the description below and get you some of these from Amazon. Get you some quick delivery going on. Yeah, man. Check it out, man. I mean, what more do you need for a nice size tent? Get you some good powerful LEDs and get you some good buds, man. I'm gonna leave the dimmer down like this right now because I got some seedlings that I got in another room that are stretching way too tall because the lights just not that good. So I'm gonna put them up under these and we're gonna boom these out, man. We're growing these Superflies this time by Magic Bean Genetics. So this is what's up. I mean, what more do you want? Nice design. You know, it ain't all fancy. Good price with some high quality LEDs. High quality, nice quality dimmer. Yeah. Alright, man. Holla at your boy B-Dub. Shout out to Spider Farmer for sponsoring your boy with these lights. Yes, sir. Hit that link in the description below, guys. Go to Amazon, get you some of these. Peace out.